Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called So Sweet, and it is a one-wall dance. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in the demo, you have to watch till the end. Also, check out the choreographer, Miss Penny Pearl. Also, I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. And thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. Let's mess it up. Soul Line Dancing and myself look forward to hosting you next year at the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. So are you guys ready? Let's go. So we're going to stand on this side of the room, facing in this direction, okay? So this dance has 3 parts and a bridge, okay? 3 parts and a bridge. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. So the first part is lockstep. You're doing a lockstep, doing a half turn, a quarter turn, a half turn, and a quarter coming back to the front, going to the back wall. So this is how it looks. Just watch me and I'm come back and get you. So on the right, I'm gonna do a lockstep, right, left, pivot, half turn. Then I'm gonna do left, left, step, pivot, quarter turn. Then I'm gonna go right, step, pivot, half. And then left, step, pivot, quarter. And it's gonna bring me to the back wall, and we're gonna start part 2. All right? So let's put it together. So lockstep, right, step, pivot, half, left, left, step, pivot, quarter, right foot, right, step, pivot, half, and left, step, pivot, quarter. So we're alternating those lock steps, okay? We're doing a half, a quarter, a half, and a quarter, and it takes us to the back wall. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, quarter, 7, 8, right, 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, quarter, 7, 8. Okay, now part 2. Part 2, we're going to sit back on 1, 2. Then we're going to hood walk a pony. 3 and 4. And 2 easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then we're going to do it again. Sit back again on 1, 2, pony, 3 and 4. 1 easy, 5, 6 with a coaster step, 7 and 8. Coaster tap. Okay, that is part 2. Okay, so what did we do? You sit back on the right. 1, 2, pony 3 and 4 on a hood walk. 3 and 4, which is left, left. Easy half, 5, 6, another easy with the right foot, 7, 8. Do it again, back on 1, 2, pony 3, 4, 3 and 4. Just 1 easy, 5, 6, with a coaster step. Coaster tap. And that is part 2. Okay? Yes, that's 1 and 2. So let's put it together. Part 1, we're doing the lockstep. Remember, half, quarter. And then we're going into part 2, what I just showed you. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, lockstep. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, quarter, 7, 8, right, 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, quarter, 7, 8. Sit back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, easy. 5, 6, easy. 7, 8. It's 1, 2, pony, 3 and 4, easy. 5, 6 with a coaster step. Coaster tap. Now let's go into part 3. Part 3, we're going to do at all 4 walks. Okay? So you shuffle up on the right. 1 and 2. Do a quarter turn on your left. 3 and 4. Left, right, left. So we just turn. So we shuffle off on the right. 1 and 2. Left, right, left. And we're going to cross and cross. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Out on the left. 7 and 8. That's the step that you're doing at all 4 walls. Okay, again. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Quarter turn to your left. 3 and 4. Cross and cross. 5 and 6. Last step is on your right. Slide 7 and hit on 8. Then we're going to put it together again. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Quarter turn to your left. 3 and 4. Cross and cross. 5 and 6. Step out on the left and slide. 7 and 8. Then we're going to do it again. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Quarter turn left. Left, right, left. 3 and 4. Cross and cross. Right, left, right. 5 and 6. 6 is on that right. Step out on the left. 7, 8. We're not back at our front wall again. Let's keep on doing it. One more time. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Turn. 3 and 4. Cross. 5 and 6. Slide. 7, 8. So let's put 1, 2, and 3 together. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to do 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then 3. And we're going to do it. That'll be our first rotation. Then we're going to do 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then 3. That's going to be our second rotation. And then you get to the bridge. Okay? So let's do 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then part 3, which I just showed you. Okay? That'd be our first rotation, and then you'll repeat that again, that sequence again. So, when we do the lock step, 5, 6, 7, lock. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, quarter, 7, 8. Lock 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, lock, 5 and 6, quarter, 7, 8. Sit back. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit back. 1, 2, pony, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, we're going back to part 1 again. Okay, with the lock step. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4. Left, 5 and 6, quarter, 7, 8. Right, 1 and 2, half, 3, 4. Left, 5 and 6, quarter, 7, 8. Part 2. 1, 2, pony, 3, and 4. Too easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit back. 1, 2, pony, 3, and 4. Easy. 5, 6 with a coaster tap. So we did 1, 2, 1, 2. Now it's time to do 3. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Left, 3 and 4. Cross. 5 and 6. Slide. 7, 8. Do that again. Shuffle up. All 4 walls. Part 3. 1 and 2. Quarter left. 3 and 4. Cross and cross. 5 and 6. Slide on the left. 7, 8. Shuffle up right. 1 and 2. Quarter left. 3 and 4. Cross and cross. 5 and 6. Left. 7, 8. One more time. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Quarter left. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7, 8. Now, so that's the first rotation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to repeat it again on the second rotation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, we're going to do the bridge. The bridge is on the left foot. The left foot. And it starts with a basic. Okay? So you cross on the left. 1 and 2, 3, kick, 4. So we went left, right, left, kick on that right, step, tap, cross, tap. So when you kick on that right, you come down on your right, tap out left, cross left, tap on the right. Okay? So let's put it together. Yeah. Basic. 1 and 2, 3, kick, 4, down, 5, tap, 6, 7, 8. Pony back 2 times. 1 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, hold 5, 6, on the right, 5, 6, 2 beats, and a rock recover on the left, 7, 8, rock back, recover. Then we're going to do it again, basic, 1 and 2, 3, kick, 4, down 5, tap 6, cross 7, 8, pony back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right back, hold 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 7, 8. So now we're going to get back, so we're going to do it 7, tap 8, tap on 8, because we're getting ready to go into part 3 again. Okay, so the second time you complete the rock back, left, tap right. Okay, because we're getting ready to go into part 3. So once you do 2 rotations, go into your bridge. You're going to do 3 for the rest of the song. You're going to do it on the right, you're going to do it on the left, and you're going to come back and do it on the right. And I'm going to show you that part. So let's put the bridge back together again. So bridge starts on the left. 1 and 2, 3, kick, 4, step, 5, out, 6, cross, 7 and 8. Pony back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover. Basic. 1 and 2, 3, kick, 4, step, 5, cross, 6, 7, 8. Pony back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Okay, now you're going to go into that shuffle up. All 4 walls. 1 and 2 left, 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle up. 1 and 2 left, 3 and 4 right, 5 and 6 left, 7, 8 right, 1 and 2 left, 3 and 4 right, 5 and 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to switch to the left. Shuffle up left. So let me just turn my wall so you can see. So I'm going to shuffle. So on part after the bridge, the part 3 is going to alternate from the right foot to the left foot to the right foot. What you mean? What do I mean by right foot? I shuffle up right. It's a right leg lead. Part 3 is a right leg lead. Okay? But at the end of the song, you're going to do it 3 times. So instead of doing it on the right all the time, we're going to switch up. So we do it on the right. When we come back, we're going to do it up on the left. What you mean left? We're going to shuffle left. Left, right, left. That second time. So the first time we shuffle right. So we're going to shuffle left. Left, right, left. We turn, the first time we turn to the left. This time we shuffle, turn to the right. Right, right, we cross left. Left, right, left, step, and slide. So all you're doing is just switching it up from the right to the left leg lead. All 4 walls, okay? So we're going to do it 3 times. So the first time you're going to do the right foot. Shuffle up, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. The second time, you're going to do the left. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. When you come back, go back to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. So remember, the right foot, 1 and 2, left foot, 3 and 4. Okay? When you do the left foot, 1 and 2, cross, right, left, right. Cross, left, right, left. Okay? It's just the opposite. All right? So that is so sweet. Again, the rotations are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Rotation 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The bridge. Then after that, it's all part 3. All 4 walls. Right leg lead, left leg lead, and right leg lead. Make sure you check out the demo. Check out Penny Pearl. It is so sweet. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.